So this is MBA, Wolf on Wall Street. He is all show, you can tell. He's had his tail cut for the buggy, but you can just see all the refinement in his head and his neck. He's a really classy guy. He's missing a couple of shoes right now, so I'm hoping that doesn't really affect our ride. There's one that he has, and one that he does not have, one that he has, and one that he does not have. But all over, he's easy to deal with. He's showing off right now, but he was standing perfectly still and quiet and on the cross ties to get worked on. His legs are nice and tight and cold. Nothing really to say about them. He's trying to figure out what I want from him here and what we could possibly be doing out at the hitching post with no harness on, but he's being, all considering very, very good. Just wanted to give a little tacking up update on the Wolf on Wall Street. This is just how he stood. I pulled my stirrups down. Make all sorts of noise with him. Not a care in the world. I mean, you can just do anything to him. Just acts like he's kind of seen it all, done it all. He's not even worried about stuff I'm doing back here. Just kind of ready to go to work. Good boy.